Hello guys, in today's video I will teach you how to share step by step Canva design as templates with your clients so that you can sell your Canva design as digital products in different platforms. So let's begin the video. If you are interested in the content of this video, please subscribe my channel so that you may not lose any of the information shared in future. Selling Canva templates is a great way to generate income and start digital business. Previously, we need a pro account for sharing the templates, but now it is a feature that is available in the pro account as well as in the free account of Canva. If you are new to Canva, I will share the link of Canva in the description so that you can sign up there. Previously, we need Canva Pro account in order to generate Canva template link, but now it is available in the Canva free account also. So go and hit the like button if you are going to start a Canva template digital business. Let's begin the video. Now I am in my Canva free account. I am using my free account right now so that I can show you that this feature is accessible in the free Canva account. These are the Instagram templates which I have created for a client. I can share these template link in the description. You can use these templates for yourself. These are my Canva Instagram post templates, and I will be sharing it by creating a template link. So the first step is to create a template link for this. For this, go to share button which is present on the right top corner, click on it, and keep it your mind that don't click on the copy link. If you use this copy link and share it with your client, the client will be having the access to make changes in your template. We don't want this to be happen. We should use the template link which enables the client to have his own copy, and he can make changes and use as many as time he wants. Where is the template link? Let's find out. If it is not over here, don't worry, move a little bit down, press on the more button. There is template link option, click on it, and now you are having a template link. Copy it from here. It is copied now. Step number 2 is to create a shareable document that you will be sharing with your customer. For this, click on the file, create new design, and write down USA letter document. Choose this. Now, where you are creating your shareable document with your customer, it is totally depends on your creativity that how you are going to design it. You can keep it as simple as you want, or you can add your social links and your email address and other contact information within this document. For this tutorial, right now I am keeping it simple and using minimum design. So first of all, I want to add a thank you message for my customer. Make it in the caps, and now I want to add my contact details so that if my customer has any questions, the next step is to embed the template link of the templates which I have created for the client. For this, I prefer a button in which I add the link so that when my client click on the button, he may reach the templates. How can we do that? I will go to the elements, look for shapes. I'm going to add this shape, write the button caption over here. This can be anything like download templates. This color is not complementing. I am going to make it a little brighter like this. So there are many options, whatever you like to write in the caption of this button. I want to make it more visible. For that, I will change the color to white. This is better. Now embed the link that you have copied, highlight the text. You can see a little link button over here. Click on it and paste the template link. You can see there is a underline which shows it's a link. I want to give a pro tip over here. It is better to give the link to the button also, because sometimes people click on somewhere on the button and in this way the link will not work. Select the button, not the text, button. Click on it, link, and paste the same link over here. Other thing that you can add in it, for example, you can add your social links so that your customer or client can be connected with you on the social media. You can add the link for the terms and privacy policy, or you may have a link of how to do video over here. All these techniques can turn your customers into returning client. Let's add social links over here. For this, click on elements, go to social links like one by one, Facebook. Again, here keep it in your mind, if you are using the free account, use the graphics which are available for free. I would like to add these three social media them into same, to resize it into same size. Select all the icons by pressing shift key, select it, and move it like this. These all are of the same size. Now arrange them over here. Select select all these three. Go to the position and vertically I arrange it like this. Now the next step is to add the links of my social account over here. For I will repeat the same step. Select it. Click on these three dots. Link, and now paste the link of your Facebook account. So in this way you have created your shareable document with the minimum design. If you want, you can make it more fancier and more pretty with more elements, but for now I'm just keeping it is simple. And the third step is that you need to download this document in the form of PDF. For this, you need to go to share button, press this drop down button. Different file types are over here. There are two file types for PDF. One is PDF standard and other one is PDF print. Both these types support the links. I have tried with both type of PDFs. Right now, let's try with the PDF standard. But before this, I want to tell you one more thing. Just first change the name of your document. It will give a good impression to your client. So let's head to change the name. Again, press the share button, press on download, and right now I am doing it with the standard PDF. Click on download. Now my file has been started downloading. The document will look like this. If I move your mouse over here, the whole button is now a link, because I have selected this space and the text both, and I separately embed the link of the documents here in the text and as well as in the button. I have checked all the links. and these are clickable, and you can see the pages over here. If you are interested in these templates of Instagram, I will share the link of these templates in the description. You can avail it from there. Now our task is completed. I want to share one more thing, that you always don't need to create more and more sharing documents. You only need to change the template link over here. If you have many templates and you have to share it with your client one by one, you can easily make the copy of this shareable document and just change the link from here. Now you can share this document with your client, and there are many platforms like Etsy. There are so many market platforms where you can sell your digital products. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share my channel. See you in the next video.